What's going on, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here, currently with EricEllisJr.com. And are you tired of corporate slavery? Do you want to leave your job? Do you want to learn how you can finally make money online? In this video, whether you're 15 years old, 14 years old, a beginner, does not matter. I'm going to show you exactly how you watching this video can make $1,000 per day. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a digital entrepreneur who came from offline entrepreneurship. That's where I got my start, to where I wanted to freaking smash it, work for myself, didn't want to work for anybody else, and I actually did, right? However, I still was a part of corporate slavery because I was working 12 hours per day and I didn't have time and location freedom, to where eventually I did want to go ahead and find that, right? To where I stumbled across digital entrepreneurship. And I was watching videos like this, just like you, right? To where I got into it, and eventually, fast forward till today, through trials, tribulations, failures, and all that extra good stuff, I got to where I'm crushing it as a digital entrepreneur, and I'm traveling full time, currently in my freaking apartment in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, touring Asia right now, and my whole objective is for you to become a part of the family. Hit that subscribe button so that way you can become a part of the family, so that way I can help you get to the point of living a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Now let's get to the good stuff. Now, how do we get to $1,000 per day? Now, first and foremost, right, how to easily get to $1,000 per day. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it, and it's going to be possible. Now, what I want you to understand, some people can't even fathom $1,000 a week, let alone $1,000 per day. Now, I want you to understand that it's only $30,000 per month, only. Now, you're probably watching this saying, only, are you freaking kidding me, Eric? Only $30,000 per month? I can't even imagine making that in a year, or I'd be happy making that in a year. Here's the thing, guys, the power of how you think. It is possible. You just have to believe that it's possible. Now, the easiest way to believe that it's possible is that it's already being done. There's people who make $30,000 a year, or a day rather, right? Let alone a month. So you get into $1,000 per day. This is absolutely possible, whether you're 15, 16, 17, 18, right? Now, how do we do it? Me personally, now there's multiple ways to do it, but I personally decided to partner up with something called affiliate marketing. Now, there's different type of affiliate programs out there, but before I talk about the different types of affiliate programs, what is affiliate marketing? It's simply when a company has a product, a service, a business opportunity, and what they do is they license you to sell their product as an affiliate, to where you don't have to handle the fulfillment, you don't have to handle inventory, you don't have to handle, most of the stuff is done for you. All you have to do is drive traffic to that offer, and when you drive traffic to that offer, they usually have sales systems and everything, if they're a good company, set up for you, and the sales that are generated, because they didn't have to get their product in front of that person because you did, right, they're gonna go ahead and pay you a commission. So they give you a unique affiliate link. You get a commission for each sale that you generate. How awesome is that? Now, how do we get to $1,000 per day? It is very possible. It is very realistic, and it's not going to be tomorrow, right? But over time, you can do it. The way to do it, right, is to find a niche. Figure out what you enjoy doing. Once you find a niche, you simply find an offer within that niche. What I would highly recommend is digital products. Digital products have a large profit margin, right? Because there's no inventory, there's no physical product, there's no cost of goods. Like my glasses here. There's no cost of goods, to where a digital product that you sell have large profit margins, right? So the affiliate company can literally pay you a lot more for it, because there's really, it's learning. This is the digital age, guys. It's $170 billion industry. $170 billion industry. So with that being said, imagine if you could just take a piece of the pie. Let's do the math here. $1,000 a day is $30,000 per month. There's 12 months in the year. That's $360,000 per year. That's a fraction of $178 billion, or $170 plus billion. You can take a piece of that pie, right? So what you do is you find a company and you become an affiliate. Once you become an affiliate, the objective is to build a massive following, right? People who know, like, and trust you, like building a YouTube channel talking about things that you love, like I'm doing right now. Building an email list through paid traffic and sales funnels, right? Which, if you're new to this, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to digital marketing, it might be kind of too much for you to handle, right? But you build a following of people who know, like, and trust you by providing value. And once you build that following, you simply refer your offer to them and let them know this can help you, this can get you to this result. Thus, you generate sales. And what's pretty cool is once you generate sales, you can go ahead and start reinvesting that money back into getting more people to see your offer. And those more people who see your offer will buy, and you generate commissions, rinse and repeat. Eventually you scale and you get to that $1,000 per day, which is $30,000 per month. Now, what you can actually do is find done for you systems. What I mean by done for your systems, you're still gonna have to find work. You're still gonna have to do work. But as a beginner, it's like a franchise model to where literally they set up the email marketing funnel for you if you don't know about email marketing. They set up the sales funnels for you if you don't know how to create sales funnels. They do everything for you for the most part. All you have to do is plug, play, and profit, right? So literally, they've created it for you. All you have to do is plug and play, right? That's what you have to do. That's the action that you have to do. And the bigger your following, the more people you get monetized, eventually you're gonna get to that $1,000 a day in no time. And eventually you're gonna get to more than that. You're gonna become a 7-figure earner. Thanks to stumbling across videos like this and taking freaking massive action. Now, what are the best type of affiliate marketing offers? It depends. I personally do high ticket commissions because you can get results much faster. Now, what do I mean by that? High ticket commissions are products that sell for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And imagine if you're selling a $2,500 product with a 40% commission, that's $1,000. All I have to do is generate one sale per day. That's $1,000 a day, baby. So it's that simple. Find an offer. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and give you access to an ebook to teach you how to generate passive income online fast. Right down below, link in the description, or you can go to affiliatesplaybook.com to get access to that ebook to actually teach you the fundamentals of this actual industry. Because this is an 8-minute video. I can't teach you everything in 8 minutes. That ebook will literally teach you the fundamentals. And if you want to go above and beyond, I actually have a course that will teach you step by step called Jumpstart Affiliate that will literally teach you everything you need to start in passive income online from scratch, right? And it'll come with my personal mentorship to where everything that I know, that I've spent well over $25,000 to learn. I just dropped $2,500 recently on more digital education to get myself to the next level, right? I'm not even charging $2,500, right? But it's everything I know and then some, which I've spent over $20,000 to learn. I'm going to go ahead and give you access to that for a fraction of the price, which is going to help you create a real online digital business. Grab access to Jumpstart Affiliate by going to the link in the description or grabbing access at jumpstartaffiliate.com. But with that being said, that's how you generate $1,000 a day. It is realistic. It is possible. You just have to find the right vehicle, right? You have to learn the right skill set, and you have to take freaking action, right? And it starts by grabbing that book with the link in the description or going to Jumpstart it or affiliatesplaybook.com. Now, hopefully you gain value. Make sure you subscribe. Join the freaking family. Join the family so that way we can help you live a life of abundance, prosperity. Quit that job. No more 9-to-5s. Corporate slavery is real. Working 40 hours per week for 40 years, which is the rest of your freaking life, to then live another amount of years on 40% of your income that you couldn't even live 100% of your income on, right? That's a fucking scam. Join the freaking community by subscribing so that way you can get access to my daily content so you can crush it in your life and your business. I appreciate you. Sorry for going off on a ramble, but Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.